Hey guys, welcome to another episode of RHINOjoe Outdoors. Today we're going to go fishing in some cold weather. 30 degrees for some creek smallmouth. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so today I don't have a ton of time to go fishing, so I'm going to go to a creek that's pretty close to the house and try to hook up with some stream fish. Probably not going to catch any giants today, but there's a good chance of catching some fish. It's about 31 degrees outside, air temperature, so it's pretty cold. Got all dressed up, but we'll see what we can catch today. Should be a good day. Thankfully, I got time to get out on the water. So here we've got a little eddy up there. We've got two streams coming down. Kind of in the middle here, seems like there's a little bit of slack. I got a wind knot. A little bit of slack water here. Try to cast like right up the middle here. See if one isn't just sitting down in there. Yeah, I think these fish, especially these stream fish, they gotta eat. You know, they gotta expend energy, keep it in their spot. So number one, they want a spot that's easy to stay in. And when you think about that spot that's easy to stay in, you gotta think about a spot as the water rises and you get floods during the early spring, late winter. Where can they sit and be protected from that current? And they also have to be able to have something to eat, because they got to get some caloric intake so they can keep on swimming just like Dory. It's easy to tell I have kids. Sitting here talking about Finding Nemo. But one thing I do like, so I don't know if you can tell, but this is like a bright yellow line. And it's great for fishing in streams because it's really easy to watch your line. Oh, we got snagged. But it's really easy to watch your line because obviously the current's going to move your line. But you'll notice when a fish gets it, it's going to be a different type of movement. Let's go up here and try to get this out of here. There's a little dead spot right there. Here, fishy, fishy. All right, so I've tucked back into this eddy here. I'm gonna try and see if I can't stir something up. All right, get back in here. But you didn't know that's what fish grips are for. Got to do your best to stay really still. Try to detect those bites. Because this time of year, they're not going to be... If you get used to it during the summertime when you go, especially creek fishing for smallmouth, man, they will just wallop in the, you know, once the water warms up, they will just wallop your bait. I mean, it feels like somebody's hitting your lure with a jackhammer. But during the winter, it's going to be, you might just feel like it gets lighter or it gets heavier. It just moves a little bit when it shouldn't have. Disclaimer though, it's been a long while since I've been out fishing in a stream deep in the winter like this. So part of me starting up this channel is me really getting back into being serious about fishing again. fish are. Alright, well, I unfortunately didn't get hooked up with anything today. It's a challenge for sure. Big thing about, you know, fishing these streams and stuff is like you got to learn those wintering holes where they sit. I've only been out here 3 times this year, so hopefully get out here again. Ran out of time, but that's the way she goes. Hey guys, thanks again for tuning in to another episode of RHINOjoe Outdoors. Hey, if you liked the video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the little bell, make a ring-a-ding-a-ding-ding-ding, so you get all the notifications whenever I put a video out. And as always, guys, get outside, do something awesome, maybe take somebody with you next time. See you in the next video. Today's question of the day is, do you ever go out and fish whenever it's freezing cold outside in a stream? Tell me in the comments below and let me know what you fish with. Give me some tips.